So it looks like my regulator's stuffed. I fixed the driver's one a couple of years ago. I don't think it's actually stuffed. I think it's just the cable's actually pulled out from the plastic retainer and it just won't go up and down anymore. It still makes noise, but it just window's stuck completely down. So it's time to fix it. First thing to do is take all the screws out. There, all the way around, underneath. I think there's one under there, one there, and one there, I believe. So that's all we'll do to start with. So there were 9 of these screws all around the outside of the door card, all the same. Now we've just got to get these 3 out. I think I need to get them all out, don't know. At least 2 of them I think, but we'll see. Pop these things off. Have a look. Makes me nervous pulling these little things out because I'll be annoyed if I scratch anything. The interior of my car is so perfect, all these little bits are all on. So just really get a sharp little knife, put it in there and just slowly pry it out. And there we go. Done. Here's another one. Come out. Come out, you bastard. Got him. The magnet's not very strong in this screwdriver. Now I wonder if this door card's been taken off before. I reckon it has, because there's a tiny little chip just there. So I'll try not to make it worse. And we're done. Everything we need to take off to get the door cards off, and then let's take it off. So it turns out you don't need to take this off. That's just to get back there, just to get to the revision mirror. So you can put that back in. One thing stupid me forgot about was the bloody door lock. So I'm going to try to figure that out. I think I have to pop that out and then unscrew it off to, yeah, release it. So give that a go. Yep, turns out you push it up and then you unscrew it. Unscrew it, unscrew it, unscrew it, and it'll eventually come off. There we go. Now it'll come out. Oh, there we go. We're all done. It is off. Took a bit of work, but that's because I don't know what I'm doing. But anyway,